Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing TaskMate and signing in with your Google account. Do that first so the app can fetch available tasks. Once done, grant location and microphone permissions. Many tasks require them to verify work. Make sure your payout method is set and basic profile fields are completed, because without them you cannot withdraw earnings. You'll immediately see task cards. Tap the first one to read instructions and accept. That's your first actionable step. You now handle the core execution. Open a task and read instructions carefully so you know expected outputs and formatting. Use the in-app camera for photos, record clear audio when required, and fill text fields exactly as the example shows. This reduces rejections. Once you collect evidence, preview your submission and add concise notes explaining any anomalies, because reviewers value context. Then tap Submit and Confirm. That sends your work for review and starts the approval. You finish by checking history to confirm submissions and watching for approval. Once approved, earnings move to your app balance. Make sure your payout settings meet the threshold and your payment method is verified so withdrawals succeed. If a task is rejected, read the reviewer feedback. Then reproduce the task with corrections and resubmit similar items to rebuild approval rate. If the app crashes, force close, clear cache, reopen, and retry the task. Contact support with Task ID if problems persist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.